Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 26, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Fifth row, we have 6, 9, 5. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another two cells. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. 10th row also we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column H and 4th row we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Second row we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, column D, column E, column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 2. Third row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 6. Second row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, third row we have 6. Column I also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column D and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. First grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 2nd grade, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 6th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column C, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 8th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column D, we have 5. So 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, column D, we have 9. 9th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 9th row, already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 will confirm here. Then 8 is also here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.